Guys, let's just unpack guys again kule ndaba le ka-MacG disrespecting uMinnie Dlamini for some reason esingayazi, and to a point esifuna ukuthi ubemfuna mhlambe, and then he starts to make up stories ngoba mhlambe uMinnie Dlamini, he was like yona ngifuna. And there's another video that I was listening to where he was saying uMacGyver Mugwebo, uMacG talking about uMinnie ukuthi wake wambiza kwi-channel yakhe wathi akeze uMinnie a few times azange asafuna ukuthi guys, you can't force people to come to your channel. And bathi uMinnie lapho washo ukuthi hayi leya channel mina doesn't do anything for me. Akho next day. For me, like it's 0%. For me, so what must happen? You can't force people. And I think uMinnie Dlamini, she saw right through him. She was just okay, well, you know. And then this is why manje essay touching abantu. And you get minister, it's no, it's not a problem. And other organizations, but say no, lo, MacGyver, he's gonna be pulling stunts. You remember MacGyver if you were watching TV in the 80s, even in the 90s, MacGyver wayekon. You know which ubani MacGyver. He's trying to pull those stunts low, and they're not going to work. Those things is like akekho nje umuntu umsupportayo nomsangano wakhe uyagula lo. And akhumula ngishilo last time no actually usijwayela kabi. That's just how I'm not going to sugarcoat it. Usijwayela kabi, period. And then bathe manje uyafuneka ke. IParliament ifanele azochaza kahle ukuthi ubethini. Bazombuza kuParliament uthi awuqala phansi. What were you saying about women? Usitshele kahle. Please explain. Nakusa sikunike indlebe. Can we hear you? Ubuthini? Yeah, so akahamba elapho. You see le msangana ade kuyekhuluma yena noSol Phenduka. Abahambe bayokhuluma ke eParliament ke and say kahle ukuthi bebethini. Ngoba phela bafake nathi sonke lapho. But you know those successful women abanukayo. What does it even mean? Who even just says that, guys? Akumla ngeze ngathi mina lo 1 million subscribers is in his head. Ungendelele kasazazi. Ukuthi asathina hlanganisana. And really guys, it's so unnecessary and uncalled for. Ngisho lona last week on my other video that I made about him until another guy wafika wasikube bekumuntu osifazane osho lento bekuzophelele emoyeni. But my thing is that it's not the first time eyisho lento MacG. Akaqali guys. I was listening to another video. It was 3 years ago now, if not 2 years ago, where she said some things about uMinnie Dlamini, disrespecting her, crazy things. You just like, because I'm tired of Babalo. Like, he's been around, he's been in Joburg all his life. I don't know. But why is he this person? Like, why unje? And what makes you even think ukuthi ku right lento? I even said in my other video ukuthi uhlala nomuntu osifazane endlini. Uthini yena? This is very disrespectful. What you are saying. Ukhuluma ngani? No, guys, it's wrong in so many ways. I just wanted to add khona kule video ne about Linda Cebekhulu, lama constables ne that passed away from Bloemfontein, and Boipelo, ukuthi they were actually in a relationship, and Boipelo was actually posting a lot about the two of them on TikTok. You know, mostly women are the ones that like posting things like that. So she was posting on TikTok about their relationship. I was a bit surprised that they are together, and it's just so sad. 24 years, guys. You were just starting to find yourself in life, you know. And the dad was just explaining about Boipelo ukuthi she actually applied at the army, right? She wanted to work there, and then 2 or 3 times she failed, and then the dad was like, you'll find your way there. Because if you really, really like the army, most say ESAPs, you'll go to the army much later, you know. You don't really have to go now. I mean, it's not working out for now. Because the dad just put it like out there, which, you know what? She tried, and failed quite a few times. until she went to SAPS to apply there. And the dad was also explaining, you know what, Mtanam loved her job. It's just crazy, guys. They were really young because the oldest there was 30, the one that was just about to get married now. Kiabitwi, I guess that was her name. The husband to be Baningani was just explaining, it's like this it's like I'm dreaming. Someone is gonna wake me up and be like, no, bophupa vele. Ibuhlungu lento, guys, like it's so heartbreaking in another level you've never seen. Yeah, so all of them will be actually be buried this coming week. Ngathi kuqala uBuyipilo on Thursday. No, Thursday uBuyipilo. Friday uLinda. Bese Saturday lo munye sisters, the one that was just about to get married. Ibhlungu in another level. Baze bacala ama-families ukuthi guys siyacelela bandla ku-social media, don't make up stories. Vele bese kuqalile itori, and someone was even saying ukuthi no, they were derailing us. Yabona nje usuke ubona ujantshi. Bebesisusa kujantshi lo besifaka kulo, confusing us ngalento le yama. They talked about amazamazama ukuthi they and then there's some kingpin involved. I mean, is Yobisi Namaine Dagamizo who was looking for them. Wababulala. Guys, Ladela, if family say please say as we told. We can't make things up. So guys, thank you so much for always supporting me in Tanda over.